Hey guys, welcome to the last week of class. You've done an amazing job all semester. So for this week, we don't have an actual discussion. There is a thread there, but that's really just for you to pose questions. You can ask me or your colleagues if there's just something you've been thinking about that you'd like to ask about and discuss, but it's non-graded and certainly not required. For the final paper, you are really pulling together all of the papers that you've been working on, all of those reflection papers. And so what I'm looking for is, a little bit more analysis. You've had more time to think, more time to write, explored some new ideas. I'm looking for APA formatting, but you can literally structure it week to week, each topic, add an intro, add a conclusion, but make sure you're not just copying and pasting exactly what you wrote during that week, but make sure you're really reading it again and thinking about what else might be going on. Imagine you are presenting this full briefing paper to a senior leader, and this assignment will really prepare you to discuss these ideas in any interviews you have or to participate fully in the meetings that you're attending at work. If you have any questions about what's needed, please let me know. And also, I would love your feedback on this class. You're welcome to email me now, or if you prefer to wait till final grades are posted, that's fine. Of course, this would never impact your final grade, but sometimes people are more comfortable doing that, which is fine with me. But anything you would keep, change, or add, I would love to hear it. Have a great week, guys.